Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to start the new lesson, that chapter 6, the noun kinds of nouns. Before starting this chapter, in the previous video I gave the exercises of interrogative sentences, and I hope all have done that exercise A, B, C. I have already uploaded on the school website. Please download it and complete your work in the book. Okay, those exercises you will complete in the book. Those who have completed, very good. Those who have not completed, please complete it. Okay, let's start the new lesson, chapter 6, the noun kinds of noun. In this lesson we will study about what is a noun, as well as we will also study kinds of noun. Okay, so first of all, I know all of you know what is a noun. You already know noun is a name of the person, place, animals or things. Okay, so first of all let me write the definition. Words which are used So already you know words which are used as the names of people, places, animals or things. Animals or things are called nouns. Okay. So here already I have written words which are used as the names of people. It's mean names of people, noun. Names of places, noun. Names of animals, that is called noun. Names of things, noun. Okay. In another way, all the naming words are called noun. All the naming words are called noun. Okay. Let's see some of the examples. So names of people like Anita. Okay, Anita, Rahul. Okay, boy and girl. Places, we can write places like Delhi. Okay, Delhi and okay, Delhi, Agra. Names of animals like cat, dog. Okay, all the examples I am writing here: Anita, Rahul, boy, girl, Delhi, Agra, cat, dog. Now things: pen, box, etc. So as you can see, these are the examples of nouns. Words which are used as the names of people, names of things, names of places, names of animals are called noun. These are the examples. As you can see, first I have written the example of people. Okay, persons example, people example I have written here. Another example, Delhi, Agra, I have written the example of places. cat, dog, examples of animals, pen, box. Okay, these are the examples of things. Okay, so I hope this is clear. What is a noun? Nouns which are used as the names of people, places, animals or things. Okay, or we can say all the naming words are called noun. All the naming words are noun. Simply we can say naming words are noun. These are the examples of noun. Clear? So, what is the noun? Noun is the name of the person, place, animals or things. Examples, any example you can give like Anita, Rahul, Ravi, boy, girl, cat, dog, horse, pen, pencil, eraser, box, bottle, fan. Okay, and already I have written the examples also. So you can at your home, right now you are at home and you are studying there through online classes. So in your room only, on your study table only, all the many things you will get noun. Like you are using pen, pencil, those are noun. Table on which you are studying, table is noun. Box, box is also noun, pencil box. Okay, your bag, bag is also noun. Clear? So mobile, whatever you are using there. Okay, those are the many examples of noun. Many examples you can see around yourself. There you can see many examples you will find of noun. Okay, so these are the examples. Any other examples also you can write, no problem with that. So here we should know first of all what is the noun. Noun is the name of the person. Many ways are there to give the definition of noun. All the naming words are called noun. This is the another definition. Here I have written the definition with here this one, words which are used as the names of people, places, animals or things are called nouns. Noun is the name of the person, animals or things. That is also noun. So there are many definitions of noun you can give in, you can write in the exam. No problem that whatever I give that only you write. It should be correct only. Any definition with any example you can write in the exams. Okay. So I hope it is clear what is the noun. Okay. Now I am going to start kinds of noun. Clear? Kinds of nouns. Now the kinds of nouns. So here we are going to study common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, countable and uncountable noun also. Okay, so first of all we will start with the common noun. First let me write kinds of noun here. Common noun, second we will study proper noun, next we will study collective noun, abstract noun, fifth one material noun. noun already we studied. Now we are going to study kinds of nouns. Okay. So here how many kinds I have written? How many kinds I have written? I have written here 5 kinds. 5 kinds of noun we are going to study. First we will start with common noun, then proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. A part of this we will also study countable and uncountable noun. Okay. Okay, these are the kinds of noun. Okay, after this we will study countable and uncountable nouns. Clear? So what is the noun? We already studied. Okay, all the naming words are called noun, or noun is the name of the person, places, animals or things. Clear? Now we are going to study kinds of noun. How many kinds of nouns are here? There are 5 kinds of noun. These are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. So one by one we will study all the kinds of nouns. So first of all I will start with the common noun. First we will start common noun. So what is the common noun? Common noun is the name of the person, name of the place, animals or thing of the same kind. Okay. So here let me write the definition first of all. Clear? So common noun are the names of okay, the common nouns are the names of person, places, animals or thing of the same kind. Okay. Persons, animals, places or things of the same kind. Of the same kind. Clear? So what is the common noun? Common nouns are the names of the persons, places or things of the same kind. Okay. Here I forgot animals, places or things of the same kind. Same kind means they belong to the same category. Okay. Common nouns are the names of the person. It is the names of the person. It is the names of the places also, things also, animals name also, of the same kind, same category, same kind. That is called the common noun. Examples I am writing here. So examples are like cat, dog. Earlier also I gave these example only. Okay. Bank, name of the place. Park, also name of the place. Okay. Person like doctor. Okay. Farmer. Okay. So animal name Animal names already I have written. Place name also I have written. Person also I have written. Now things, that is the desk and book, etc. So you can see the examples. It is also the names of the person, names of the places, names of the animals, names of the things of the same kind. Okay, of the same kind, that is called the common noun. So here are the examples, or you can see here: cat, dog, this is the example of animal. Bank, park, this is the example of places. Doctor, farmer, example of persons. Desk, book, example of things. Clear? Okay, I hope it is clear what is the common noun. Common noun, it is clear. So common nouns are the names of the person, places, animals or things of the same kind. Okay, same kind. Examples, I have written examples of animal also, examples of places also I have written, persons also I have written here, desk, book, this is the example of, these are the examples of things. Okay, so what is the common noun? I hope it is clear. The common nouns are the names of the persons, places, animals or things of the same kind. Okay, these are the examples. Many more examples are there, like book, pencil, eraser, okay, playground, okay, class. No, class is the example of collective noun. Things like chair, fan. Okay, so many examples are here. You can write any example here. I hope common noun is clear. Okay, now let's start proper noun. So proper noun after this. So what is the proper noun? What is the proper noun? Proper noun is also the name of the person, name of the place, okay, or thing of the particular person name, particular place name, that is called the proper noun. Okay, and the definition of proper noun will be: particular name, okay, are the particular names given to the certain common noun. So here proper nouns are the particular names given to the certain common noun. Proper nouns are the particular names given to the certain common nouns. So common noun already we studied. When those common noun we give any name, that any particular name, that is called the proper noun. Okay, and it always start with the capital letter. This is a very important thing. They always begin with capital letters. they always begin with capital letters. So proper nouns are the particular names given to the certain common noun. Okay, so whatever the common nouns are there we studied just now, when we give the particular name of those common noun, that is called the proper noun. And when we talk about the proper noun, we always write with the capital letter. We always write with the capital letter. Proper noun, we always write it with the capital letter. Starting letter will be the capital. It will come in between the sentence also, still we will write with the capital letter. Okay. So here are the examples. So names of people. Names of people. Like first example, in the noun example I gave, Anita, that is the name. Particular name, it is given to the people or person, you can say. Anita. Then Rahul. Okay. So Anita is the name of the girl. Rahul is the name of the boy. So according this, proper noun are the particular names given to the certain common noun. Boy and girl, both are common noun. Okay. When I have given the name of that girl Anita, now Anita, it is proper noun, and that boy name I have given Rahul, so Rahul has become proper noun. Okay. So in the according this definition, proper nouns are the particular names given to the certain common nouns. So boy and girl, common noun, already I taught you boy and girl. This example I have written of one boy and girl. So boy and girl, that is a common noun. And when one name I have given, one particular name I have given to the boy, and to one name I have given to the girl, so that has become that you can see that Anita, Rahul, both are the particular name, it is given to the common noun, that is called the proper noun. Okay. So Anita, Rahul, both are the example of proper noun. Okay. And as you can see, I have written with the capital letter names of the person, places. Okay. Names that capital letter already I have written, they always begin with capital letters. Clear? Now another example, country's name, like India. Country's name like India, or city name Agra. Okay, city name Agra, or historical monuments and name of place. Just you can see on page number 22. See here, page number 22. As you can see here, proper noun. Just see, proper noun. So names of people. Names of people like Rahul, Ravi, Anita. Okay, your name, your friend's name, those are the proper noun. Okay. So names of the person, names of the people, names of the person, like your name, my name, or here I have written the name, your friend's name, your mother's name, your father's name, all are the examples of proper noun. Okay. Names of the countries, names of the countries like India, Agra. Names of cities, Lucknow, Gorakhpur, Rajasthan, any name. Names of country, names of cities, names of state, all these are the proper noun. Okay. And you have already seen, we write those words, we write those examples, and whenever we write those examples, we use capital letter. Okay. So beginning letter, it should be capital in proper noun. Okay. So the next is names of the days of the week also. Week name like Sunday, Monday, like Sunday, Monday. Okay, so names of the week also, it is proper noun and we always write with the capital letter. Clear? Now names of the months. Month's name like January, February. Okay, so month's name I am writing here May. Month's name, that is also proper noun and we always write with the capital letter. Now the names of the ocean and seas. Names of the ocean and seas like the Caspian Sea, Indian Ocean, okay, Ganga River also, Ganga, Yamuna, okay, these are names of the river, names of the oceans, these are also the proper noun and we always write with the capital letters. So one sea name I am writing here, one sea name, the Indian Ocean, Caspian Sea. So the Caspian Sea, okay, let me write like that. So this much it is clear, proper noun are the particular names given to the certain common nouns, okay. So let me write the examples. So first of all, names of people, okay, names of people like Anita, Rao, okay. Okay. Names of countries. Two examples I will give. Okay. Names of countries and cities. Okay. Names of countries and cities. So country name India. Country name India. One city name we can write Agra. Okay. So names of people, Anita, Rahul, any name of the boy, girl, man, woman, any name we will write with a capital letter and those are the proper noun. Now the names of countries and cities, India, Agra. Names of day, week, names of the days of the week and month also. Okay, week, that is Sunday, Monday. Okay, Sunday, Monday. Clear? Month, May, June. Okay, May, June. So names of people, countries, cities, week name means days of the week, months. More examples I am writing. I am writing in short. Ocean name, ocean, and sea and river, names of ocean, sea and river. The Caspian Sea, okay. Ocean, the Indian Ocean. River, any river name we can write, okay. So I am writing here Rapti, okay. So name of the ocean, sea, river I have written, and as you can see starting letter it is capital letter. Clear? Now historical monuments. Historical monuments also. Historical monuments means historical places like historical monuments like Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. So these are the historical monuments, okay. That also that is also the proper noun, and we always write with the capital letter. Names of the festival, Diwali, Holi, okay. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, etc. Names of the festivals. Names of the special days. Special days means like Independence Day, Republic Day. So Republic Day, so here as you can see I have written all the examples here. So names of the people, names of countries, names of cities, names of days of the week, names of the months of the year, names of the ocean and seas, names of river, names of historical monuments, names of festivals, names of special days. Clear? All these are the examples of proper noun, and we always write those proper noun with the capital letters, okay. So the next collective nouns, abstract and material noun, I will teach you in the next video. So I hope you understood this topic. So revise your lessons, okay, and prepare the exercises also. That's it for today's. Thank you.